this is what we're talking about. See how horrible it gets, guys. These clothes are hard to clean. Welcome. And we have the car of the day. Guys, this is a 2019 Ford F-150. This is the Super Crew version of this truck. And what you're looking at, guys, is our factory deluxe kit, which is black with perforated inserts and stone stitch. Guys, this will fit the 2015 to the 2020, the F-150 regular cab, the XL, the XTX, the SuperCab, the Platinum, the Limited, the King Ranch, the Lariat, and the Raptor, guys. And we have these available for virtually any vehicle, guys. These are made to order. Most of the time, it fits only a particular vehicle, but we have it in our catalog, hundreds, if not thousands of vehicles. But if there is not in our catalog, you're gonna have to get a quote, which is be a little bit more expensive, but we still be able to help you. But if it's in our catalog, be sure that you're gonna have a great, fantastic deal at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology.com, guys. This one is available in over 60 different colors, endless combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double hex, honeycomb, and many other, guys. Also, you can get exotics like ostrich, alligator, suede skin. Everything available at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology.com, guys. And I know it looks like crap, so you have to wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look. And guys, because a lot of people say, oh, we're gonna have issues with cooling and heating, we're gonna be too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter. No, guys, we have a degree system, which is a temperature control, 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of cooling in one single little switch. Please inquire about this. This is our top of the line, but if you are in a budget, at least get your seat heated, guys, because you don't want to be shivery in your ride on the winter if you are in such a climate. All right, and guys, want to save hundreds of dollars? Go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form right there so you can become part of an exclusive club of people that is going to save hundreds of dollars in the next order, only exclusively for the people in that list. Because, guys, for legal reasons, you know how it is, we cannot even publish those prices. And let's take a look at the toy, guys. This is the truck. Beautiful 2019 Ford F-150. Obviously, right here, you know, this is the new trend. People has big tires, big wheels. They modify the exhaust. They put different gears in the differential, things like that. Beautiful truck. But again, guys, this is what we do. Horrible, easy to stain, uncomfortable cloth seats, guys. And this one was somehow cleaned up, but you can see how easy the stains come back. So that's what this one is here. So we can beautify it. And this one is our low cost. This is the deluxe factory match. This doesn't cost much, guys. You can get it for a really low price. Please just go to LeatherTeck so you can get that quote by Upholstery Technology.com. And guys, this you're gonna have exactly the same thing, back pockets. You're gonna have you know, the little cover for that section right there, the lid. And this is what we're talking about. See how horrible it gets, guys. These clothes are hard to clean. Look at that. Horrible stained cloth, and it's stinky. You're gonna get rid of these, guys. You don't want this kind of thing. You want leather in your vehicle, guys. Go to LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology.com so you can transform your vehicle, guys, and get really comfortable with your new leather interior. This is just not good, guys. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology.com, guys. because we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, guys. It's very simple. I'll rate this installation because this one has the little jumps in the center. This will take it all the way to an A level, guys. So yeah, that one little piece in the center is a little complex, but it's not something that you cannot do. If you are hands-on, pretty sure you can do it, guys. If not, we can help you to get you to local installer. If you are in the 48 continental states, we ship for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything for the shipping. We can get it to you. And of course, you want to take it to a professional, we can help you with that in your area, guys. Just please inquire about that. And it's been my pleasure talking to you about this installation that we want to be doing. Thank you for watching, and look forward for those videos and pictures from the before and after, because I know, guys, it looks like crap, but wait until we finish the installation so you can see how beautiful it's going to be. Because there is going to be places, guys, that you're going to be going, and again, even when they finish the installation, it's still looking like crap. And for sure, there is a difference between professional installation, no doubt about that. But hey, over time, for sure, it will smooth out and it will look perfect. You just have to give it time, guys. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.